Hello everybody, I'm Josh Korick and this is your Blue Edge Energy weekly market snapshot, and let's just go ahead and jump right on into this. The current prompt month, January, the natural gas is trading at $3.81.4 a decatherm, down 24.2 cents since last week. Yes, we are below $4, unbelievable. Meanwhile, the December gas contract rolled off the book at $5.44.7. This is after a wild run-up in price on the last trading day right after Thanksgiving on that Friday. The 2022 calendar strip, well, it's $3.76.8, down 35.4 cents since last week alone. Next winter's pricing for November to March is pretty much flat at $4, down about 20 cents since last week. And you see the trend here, down, down, down. 2023 calendar strip, assuming equal volume, is at $3.41.1, down 13.8 cents since last week. The winter after that, 2023-2024, so far out, is at about $3.50 per decatherm, down 10.5 cents since where we were last week. Now, lastly, the 2024 calendar strip price, it's at $3.18.8. That's again for an equal volume for all those months. Most folks listening to this are heat load folks. So let's switch gears to the storage report. The EIA storage showed a negative 59 BCF change to ground storage inventory from last week, which is pretty much right on cue for what we expected. This puts our current overall ground storage at 3,505 BCF. Let's make sense of that. Year over year, we're down 356 BCF, but again, that was a COVID year, if you will. And on the 5-year average, we're down 90 BCF, and we're gonna make a lot of ground on that very soon because of the warm weather coming up. When we look at the regional cash out price for Chicago gas, we're at $3.57, down $1.15 plus since last week. And for our friends on the western side of the state, Northern Natural Gas Ventura, it's trading at $3.58 a decatherm, down $1.08 since last week alone. Let's go on and talk about the weather. The Wisconsin short-term weather forecast, it's calling for wet and cold weather through Saturday, then a gradual warming. Of special note are overnight temperatures that are forecasted as warmer than normal throughout this period. And if you're in northern Wisconsin, you might get some snowmobiling in because we're gonna get a lot of snow with that wet weather and 6 to 12 inches this weekend. On the national forecast, take a look at this for the 18 to 14 day. Crazy warm weather in the east and below normal temperatures from the Rockies west. It's gonna be warm as a country. Talk a little commentary. The natural gas price since over the last 2 weeks has just collapsed. Confirmed that the natural gas was an incredible speculative bubble lately. I mean, how else can you explain $6 handle of gas in October and $3 gas-ish in December? It's crazy. The question now is, where is the natural gas gonna settle out now that this bubble has burst? Right now, it looks a lot like the traders are trying to declare that winter is effectively over, and our current weather charts kind of support that idea in some extent in the near term. It's right across the board. However, history tells us there's still a lot of winter to come before we see the Mayflower, so I would not be so quick to write off winter 2021-2022 yet. Considering that the January gas contract was trading at $5.51 just 2 weeks ago, and now we're at $3.81, we'd probably consider the idea of looking at maybe executing another layer of hedge for the giving months of winter. For that, we're gonna be in touch with you guys over the next week or two to determine just when and how we should do that, or maybe just ride it out for the next 3 winter months. In any event, thank you for tuning in. On behalf of myself, Blake, TJ, and Karen, it's a pleasure serving you guys here at Blue Edge, and have yourself a great weekend. Take care.